guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So today I have another banger for you. Yes, I'm up bang for you. And today I have wings, some mashed potato and corn. Yeah, so I have three flavors of wings here. I have teriyaki, maple syrup, honey barbecue wings, and sweet and sour wings. And I have some ranch in here, some carrots and cucumber, and yeah. So if you want to see the recipe for these wings, it's very easy. You can go on my channel and find them out, and you don't have to buy nothing. You can prepare your own dish. You understand? It is quarantine and we're not supposed to be on the road, so why not stay home and cook? Yeah. So Nessa, bring it to your kitchen. So if you want to see how I enjoy this scrumptious meal, stay tuned for the video. Nessa's World. So yes guys, I am back, and today I'm going to do black man, white man and Chinaman jokes. So stay tuned for that. But let's get into this. So I have my mashed potato here. And this is simply just mashed potato, butter, herbs, and a little bit of mayo and some onion, Very nice. Well, I know you guys want me to try this, so I don't even remember which one. I think this is teriyaki chicken, so I'm gonna try this one. Teriyaki chicken. So I just want to big up to my regular visitors. Beautifully flawed. Beautifully flawed. I know you're gonna cuss me. Well, and I have my bone plate here, so don't think I'm throwing it on the ground. But I'm beautifully flawed. I know you're gonna cuss me out, but I enjoy you cussing me just as much as I enjoy eating this. And I hope you can smell it from there. I know you can taste it. Here you go. Oh, this is so good, guys. Right, this is so good. You need to check out the recipe. This is so good. I think I need to eat some more carrots, so. Here. This is like an AMS or whatever. The carrot is so sweet, like it's dipped in honey. So good. Alright, so let's try the sweet and sour one. The sweet and sour could have more sweetness and sour to it. It's okay. Kind of tastes like though. Like a regular chicken. Maybe I needed to add more sauce to it. The one thing I hate about braces, guys, I can't chew my bone. Like, whenever I try, my bracket break off. It doesn't even make sense. But yeah. But guys, I hope you guys are keeping safe. You're keeping in, because instead of the cases to fall, it's like it's increasing. And I don't want to hear that nothing do, none of you guys. I want everyone to be safe. Just stay in. Like, right now, if you haven't done any shopping, just go there and buy enough. I'm not saying you're preparing for the worst or whatever, but it's better to prepare yourself than not to be prepared, because we don't know where this is taking us to, and the government alone cannot do it. The residents are the people in the country need to do it. And here in Jamaica, not everyone taking it serious. Like, people are still going out, people still having parties, and I don't know, like, you just have to take care of yourself. And if you don't want to go out, don't go out. And what I decided to do is, I found some online vendors that sells like fish and groceries and all those stuff, and they do delivery. So that's what I'm going to do now. But for the stuff that I cannot get online, I'm just going to take like one day in the month and go and get it, and I'll take you on that journey. But I pretty much have almost everything here at home. And this is the barbecue Mabel. And guys, don't knock it before you try it. It is very good. It is honey barbecue sauce, right, mixed with maple syrup. This is very good. So I'm gonna do probably 3 jokes. It's not funny like roll on the ground, you know. It's just something to say. Oh wow. And smile. Let's put a smile on your face while you're at home, you understand? While you watch me eat this beautiful flour. I need you to see that I'm literally sweating here. So yeah, black man, white man, and Chinese man, right? And the trend their hell, right? And you know, so everybody know, nobody wants their hell, right? So the devil say, trend them their hell, and they want to come up because hell too hot. Like, I wouldn't want to be in hell. Jamaica so hot, you can't imagine down this one. Right? So the three of them is in hell, and the devil said, alright, since no one making a fuss and no one to come out, it doesn't make sense to have 3 persons who are complaining. So here what? I'm going to give you guys a chance to go back on her, right? So black man and Chinese man and white man say yes, I'm glad now, you know. So devil say, alright, in order for you if you come out, you have to tell one lie, right? You have to tell one lie, and then me have to say you lie, man, and then when you go to heaven, when you go to hurt, right? So white man come in and say, your shoes untie. The devil look at him and say, move from your son. Show, right? So the Chinese man come in and say, what fly up on your head? And devil goes so, shut, move. Black man now come in now and stand up there, and the devil say, go on now, your turn. So black man stand up there not saying anything. Devil say, go on now, your turn. Black man still stand up not saying anything. And devil say, go on now, your turn. And black man say, Me go already. And they will say, you lie, man. Oh, you lie, so. You do lie, but you go already. And black man say, say no back alright. So, like, that shows say, oh smart black man is, right? Because just stand there and how they just think fast, right? It's not really funny, but when you think of it, it's smart. There's butter on this. The next one, you have black man, China man, and white man, right? All them the one place, and them a talk and a brag, and like them must say, yo, my country have the baddest girl. And white man say, no man, my country have the baddest girl. Like bad people them, you know. Yeah, bad white man, bad black man, bad Chinese man, and when them compete with the one another, they must say them have the baddest this and the baddest that and whatever. So black man come down, so you can't go and talk. If my country the thiefest country, right? So them say, oh, you know that, and they say, alright, then go and jet and watch where we go do. You'll go around and say, oh, for country the thiefest country, right? So you know you have white man who come from US, Chinese man who come from China, obvious, and black man who come from Jamaica, right? So first, them say, you know what, we're gonna put our Rolex or a Movado watch, you know, them expensive watch there, we're gonna put it on, and then we're gonna go out in the helicopter, and then once you reach the landmark, if you reach US, we're gonna hold out your hand, and if you come back in, you know, say the country no thief. But once you go out and then you come back in, the watch not come back in, you know, say the country the thief. Anyway, them got in the helicopter, and white man reach US, and he put out in already watch, and then put it out there and put it in back. Him know the watch still up on the hand. So I say, alright, US failed, right? So then got China. Then got China now. The Chinese one put out in and out in the country, and he put it back, the watch still up on the hand. Anyway, black man put on the watch and he free to put it on because he know in country, you know. And then when he reach Jamaica, they must say, yo, put out your hand now, put out your hand now, put out your hand. Nothing can say you gotta prove it, you gotta prove it. Anyway, when black man push out his hand, when he bring him back in hand, I just write us up, then chop off his hand, down to you watch. Down to you watch. So that proves say, yo, Jamaica have the thiefest set of people there. I don't know. It's just a black man and white man joke, and this is something that we used to do when we were young, and it was fun, right? And it was just for fun, right? So I'm just reminding you guys for who don't remember, you know. Maybe next time I should do a dance joke. I'm just eating one more because I'm full. Very full. So I'm going to tell you one joke. And I really don't like this one. But I'm going to tell you, it's like a bit gay. But I'm going to tell you anyway because it's kind of funny. There was this theater and they were giving out orders. and black man and white man and Chinaman was there. And the leader was like, apparently he's very superior, very mighty, and anything when him say, them just have to do it, right? So them hasten to do it, right? So you have black man, white man, and Chinaman that's there, and the leader say, alright? So he want the first person to run go to the bush and pick one fruit, the first fruit they them see, right? So the one them rush gun, the man. They rush gun and then white man come back now. When white man come back, white man say, we get 2 grapefruit, right? We get 3 grapefruit, get some grapefruit, right? The man say, you never finish and listen to it. The rest of the instruction was, right? The rest of the instruction was that when they go out there and they find the fruits, right? You might take the fruit and push it on the hands, right? And whoever scream out, you might kill them, right? So remember, it's for freedom, so if them ball out, them all get dead. So anyway, white man come reading grapefruit then because he never hear the end of the story. And the man start push up the grapefruit in the bottom, right? And he reach the second one and the white man ball out and the man kill him, right? And he gone to heaven, right? Gone to heaven. So black man now him come and he come with some grapes, right? Which is very small, and then him find out say yo, them are gonna push it in the bottom, right? And whatever. So anyway, when he reach the last grape now, him start laugh. And the man say, you never hear me say any sound no make you dead. So he kill black man, right? And black man gone to heaven. Anyway, black man and white man up to heaven now, and white man say, why you laugh when that's the last one you have left? You must say, because Mr. China man I run come with two melon. Somebody have to laugh. You can imagine 2 melon? No, sir. So yes guys, that's the end of my mukbang. I hope you like it, and if you know any more black man, white man and Chinaman jokes or scenario, list it in the comments down below. And if you remember any of the one that I spoke about, tell me that you remember it, and tell me what other topics that you want me to talk about. I think I may do an anti-story next, or maybe continue the riddles, but let me know what you guys think and let me know what you guys want, and I'll definitely do it. So here is the end of my mukbang. Thank you guys for always watching. Thank you for my new subscribers. I love you guys, and thank you for all the support. Yeah, and don't you forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified when I release a new video. Bye.